morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Open your books. Let us start today's class. So please open your textbooks, page number 1. Yes, in last class we had studied The Little Plant. Chapter 1, The Little Plant. It's a poem written by Kate Lewis Brown. I hope you remember. Okay, so I already explained you about this poem, The Little Plant. This poem is about a seed. Okay, how a small tiny little plant is inside the seed and buried in the ground. Okay, buried in the ground, and sunshine and raindrops are saying to come. To whom they are saying? They are saying to the plant to come out of the seed, and see how wonderful world is. Okay, how wonderful world is. So this poem was about seed. Okay, now we'll do exercise. Okay, let us start exercise, and I gave you new words to write. Okay, I hope you all wrote. Yeah, and I got good response. Very good, children, keep it up. Let us start today's exercise. Okay, open page number 2. Okay, now see here, write true or false in the boxes. So there are some statements here. Okay, so if the statement is true, then you have to write true in the box. If the statement is false, then you have to write false. Okay, now see here, a tiny plant lay fast asleep in the grass. Is this statement right or wrong, children? Yes, this statement is false, because the tiny plant lay fast asleep not in the grass, in the seed. So this statement is false. So write down false here. Okay, now a seed needs sunshine and rain to grow. Yes, so write down here true. Okay, now the raindrops are shining. Yes, so write down true here. Yes, now the little plant rose to see the clouds in the sky. No, it rose to see the beautiful world outside. Okay, so false. Write down false here. Yes, the little plant heard the words of the wonderful world. Yes, true. So write down here true. Okay, this you have to write in your textbook. Okay, children, now see here, answer A2. Answer the following questions. What is the title of the poem, children? See here, what is the title of the poem? The Little Plant. Okay, so you have to write here the little plant. Okay, children, now what is the name of the poet? See here, the name of the poet is written here, Kate Lewis Brown. Okay, so now write down here Kate Lewis Brown. Okay, children, so the title, what is the title of the poem? The Little Plant. What is the name of the poet? Kate Lewis Brown. Okay, so you have to write this in your textbook. Okay, A2 and A1, A2. Now see here, find the past forms of the following verbs in the poem, then write them in column. See, these are present tense. These words are present tense. I already explained you so many times, and you have my video also regarding tenses. Okay, so what is past tense? Things which already happened. Okay, things which already happened. Now let us see what are the past forms of these words. Now rise. So what is the past form of this word rise? Yes, write down here, R-O-S-E, rose. Okay, R-O-S-E, rose. Now bury. What is the past form of bury? Buried, B-U-R-R-I-E-D, buried. Okay, then say. What is the past form of say? Said. Okay, past form of hear, heard. Okay, children. Now lie. What is the past form of lie? Lay. Okay, and what is the past form of may? Might. Okay, so these are the past form of present tense, these words. Okay, now so these 3 exercises you have to do in your textbook. Okay, A1, A2, A3, write neatly, and here you have to write date. Okay, date you have to write. Okay, that's all for today's class, children. Write neatly, learn. Don't simply copy or don't simply write. Okay, first learn, then write. Okay, it will be easy for you. Especially learn. See, Kate Lewis Brown. Especially learn spellings. Okay, children. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.